Okay everybody, let's try to create this transition, and this slide is more looks like a poster that's good to use. Let's see how we can create this. At first, really easily we create our slide. We need to create these shapes. How we can create this shape? It's easy. We create a rectangle, and then after that we create a text box. Where is the text box? Here, it's here. Create a text box and write a S in it and increase it in size and change the font. You maybe ask, this font is really more beautiful than the font we have here. If you want to know which font is it, ask me in the comment. I will tell you the name of the font for using, but we go with this, and then when they make them combine, this shape has been created that you can use it. Okay, we have the shape. What we are going to do, we are going to format background and then apply to all. We are going to paste the picture in our background, this picture, and then copy this shape that we have and paste it here. And after that we are going to format shape to make it lower, and then give it a grade outline, for example something like this, and increase the outline weight to something more visible, and now a little less visible. It's good here, I think a little less, and for example some better outline like this. And then we are going to make the transparency a little lower. Then we just copy the text and paste it here. Your brochure slide has been created. It's look great. I say you can use it with another words and make a great use of it. I know this slide is really easy to make. It has a little trick that the font name is that. You can ask me and I'll tell you in the comments. And don't forget, if you need anything, ask me in the comments. And please like and subscribe. Until the next time, have a nice